Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rides Review Hub. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about personal mobility vehicles of the year, the KEYU Adult Three-Wheeled Model 2025. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend cruiser, or just someone looking for a more stable, stylish, and eco-friendly way to get around, this three-wheeled electric trike might just be what you've been waiting for. So buckle up, let's break down everything you need to know. Design and first impressions of the 2025 KEYU model instantly stands out with its sleek, futuristic design. It features a low-profile frame, ergonomic seating, and an upgraded LED lighting system that gives it a modern, tech-forward appeal. With 320-inch alloy wheels and a wider rear track for improved balance, this isn't your average adult tricycle, it's more like a hybrid between an e-bike and a compact scooter. Available in matte black, silver, and a deep metallic red, the trike offers a premium aesthetic. The build quality feels solid right out of the box, with a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that can support up to 330 pounds (150 kilogram). And yes, it comes mostly pre-assembled, so you won't need to be a DIY pro to get it road ready. Performance and ride quality is a powerful 750W brushless rear hub motor, paired with a removable 48V 20Ah lithium-ion battery. On a full charge, you can expect a real-world range of about 40 to 50 miles depending on terrain and rider weight, which makes it more than capable of handling daily commutes, quick errands, or even light recreational rides. The top speed is capped at 20 miles per hour for safety compliance, but it still feels zippy, especially when using pedal assist. You can also switch to full throttle mode if you're in no mood to pedal. One of the KEYU 2025's best features is the dual suspension system, front fork and rear shocks, which soaks up bumps and uneven pavement like a champ. Paired with wide, puncture-resistant tires, the ride feels exceptionally stable and comfortable, even on longer journeys. Tech features and controls: this model includes a large backlit LCD display mounted at the center of the handlebars. It shows speed, battery life, assist level, distance traveled, and more. There's even a USB charging port for your phone or accessories. You also get a 7-speed Shimano gear system, which works great in tandem with the electric assist. Whether you're climbing a steep hill or cruising on flat ground, gear shifts feel smooth and responsive. A built-in alarm system and electronic locking mechanism give you some added peace of mind when leaving the trike parked in public spaces. Storage and practical use: practicality is where this trike really shines. The rear cargo basket is large enough to hold groceries, a backpack, or even a small pet carrier. There's also an optional front-mounted basket and weather-resistant storage box available as add-ons. It's perfect for seniors or adults who prefer extra stability, but it's also just a fun and functional ride for anyone who wants to reduce car trips. The step-through frame design makes mounting and dismounting easy, no need to swing your leg over a high bar. Combined with a comfy padded seat and upright riding position, this is a vehicle that prioritizes rider comfort in every way. Battery charging and maintenance: charging of the KEYU trike takes about 5 to 6 hours using the included 2A smart charger. You can charge the battery on or off the frame, which is super convenient if you park the trike outside but want to charge it indoors. Maintenance is low: the brushless motor requires minimal care, and with mechanical disc brakes front and rear, it's easy to adjust or replace components when needed. KEYU also includes a 1-year warranty for parts and battery. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, reliable, and fun way to get around, the KEYU 2025 is definitely worth considering. It's great for all age groups, but especially ideal for adults who want a stable ride without sacrificing style or performance. Let us know in the comments, would you ride one of these? And do not forget to like, subscribe, for more reviews on the latest in personal mobility tech. Catch you on the next ride.